Are you searching for the perfect oscillating tool to handle your DIY and professional projects? Look no further. Oscillating tools are essential for cutting, sanding, grinding, and scraping with precision and efficiency. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, having a reliable oscillating tool can transform your work experience. In this video, we'll review the 7 best oscillating tools for DIY and professional projects. These tools combine power, versatility, and durability to help you tackle any task with ease. Let's dive right in. Number 1. DeWalt 20V Max XR Oscillating Tool Kit. The DeWalt 20V Max XR Oscillating Toolkit is a powerhouse designed for professionals and serious DIYers. It runs on a 20V Max battery system, offering cordless convenience without compromising performance. The brushless motor ensures durability and extends the tool's life while delivering up to 20,000 oscillations per minute (OPM). This makes it ideal for precision cutting, sanding, and more. The variable speed trigger and dual grip design allow users to maintain precise control in a wide range of applications. A quick change accessory system enables blade and attachment swaps without the need for additional tools. The included LED light is a thoughtful addition, ensuring excellent visibility in dimly lit areas. Built with durability in mind, the DeWalt 20V Max XI features a robust construction that withstands tough job site conditions. It comes with 28 accessories, including sanding pads and blades, giving you everything you need to start your project immediately. Whether it's trimming door frames or removing old grout, this oscillating tool stands out for its reliability and unmatched performance.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Hammerhead 2.2 Amp Oscillating Multi-Tool. The Hammerhead 2.2 Amp Oscillating Multi-Tool offers excellent value for both beginners and experienced users. With a powerful 2.2 amp motor, this tool provides consistent power for tasks like sanding, scraping, and cutting. Its variable speed dial lets you adjust between 10,000 and 20,000 OPM, ensuring the right speed for every application. This tool is designed with comfort and precision in mind. The ergonomic grip reduces hand fatigue during extended use, making it perfect for intricate projects. Its sturdy construction ensures long-lasting durability, even in demanding work environments. A universal accessory interface is included, allowing compatibility with most standard oscillating tool attachments, enhancing its versatility. The Hammerhead 2.2 amp oscillating multi-tool comes with essential attachments like blades and sanding pads, so you can start working right out of the box. Its user-friendly design includes a tool-free accessory change system that minimizes downtime, allowing you to work efficiently on multiple tasks. Whether you're trimming baseboards or polishing edges, this tool provides reliable performance at an affordable price. Number 3. Galax Pro 22,000 OPM 1.5A Oscillating Multi-Tool. The Galax Pro 1.5A Oscillating Multi-Tool is a compact yet capable device perfect for light to medium-duty tasks. Powered by a 1.5 amp motor, it achieves speeds up to 22,000 OPM, ensuring smooth and efficient operation. This makes it a reliable choice for projects like tile removal, grout scraping, and detailed sanding. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle, especially in tight spaces where precision is key. The rubberized grip ensures comfortable use, while its low vibration levels enhance control and reduce fatigue. The Galax Pro is particularly suited for homeowners looking for an entry-level oscillating tool without compromising functionality. The tool includes multiple attachments and a universal accessory adapter, allowing compatibility with a wide range of blades and sanding pads. The quick change system enables hassle-free swapping of accessories, so you can transition seamlessly between different tasks. Durable and budget-friendly, the Galax Pro 1.5A Oscillating Multi-Tool is a practical choice for those needing a versatile tool for everyday repairs and DIY projects. Number 4. Craftsman Oscillating Tool 3 Amp. The Craftsman 3 Amp Oscillating Tool combines professional-grade performance with user-friendly features, making it a favorite among contractors and avid DIYers. Equipped with a robust 3 amp motor, it handles demanding tasks like plunge cuts, trimming, and sanding with ease. Its variable speed dial provides control over speeds ranging from 10,000 to 23,000 OPM, ensuring precision for different materials and applications. The ergonomic design and lightweight construction make it easy to maneuver even during extended use. The Craftsman oscillating tool also features a tool-free accessory change system, allowing quick and effortless swapping of attachments. This saves valuable time, especially when working on multifaceted projects. The package includes 14 accessories, offering versatility for various applications right out of the box. From cutting drywall to polishing wood, this tool's adaptability makes it an essential addition to any toolkit. Durable and reliable, the Craftsman oscillating tool is a powerful option that ensures high performance and precision in every project. Number 5. Workpro Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit. 3.0 amp. The Workpro Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit is a well-rounded choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Its 3.0 amp motor delivers reliable power and consistent performance across a wide range of tasks, including cutting, grinding, and sanding. The variable speed adjustment ranges from 10,000 to 21,000 OPM, providing flexibility for different materials and applications. Designed with user comfort in mind, the Workpro oscillating tool features an ergonomic handle and low vibration operation. This reduces strain and enhances control, allowing for precision even in tight spaces. The durable construction ensures the tool withstands regular use without compromising efficiency. The kit includes 25 accessories, such as blades, sanding pads, and scrapers, making it ready for immediate use. Its universal accessory adapter allows compatibility with other brands, expanding its versatility. The tool-free accessory change system is a standout feature, enabling quick transitions between tasks without additional tools. Whether you're renovating your home or tackling professional projects, the Workpro Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit is a reliable and budget-friendly option. Number 6. Avid Power Oscillating Tool. 3.5 amp. The Avid Power Oscillating Tool stands out for its impressive 3.5 amp motor, delivering high power and efficiency for challenging projects. This tool is built to handle demanding tasks like cutting metal, removing grout, and sanding rough surfaces with ease. With speeds ranging from 15,000 to 22,000 OPM, it provides excellent versatility for various materials. The ergonomic design and anti-vibration technology make it comfortable to use over extended periods. The Avid Power tool's robust construction ensures durability, making it suitable for both DIY and professional applications. Its performance is complemented by a universal accessory system, allowing compatibility with a wide range of attachments. This oscillating tool comes with 13 accessories, including a cutting blade, sanding pads, and scrapers, enabling users to start projects immediately. The tool-free accessory change mechanism ensures efficiency and convenience during multi-step tasks. Ideal for tackling heavy-duty jobs and precise finishes, the Avid Power oscillating tool combines power, reliability, and ease of use. Number 7. Enertwist Oscillating Tool. 4.2 amp. The Enertwist oscillating tool is a powerhouse designed for demanding tasks. Thanks to its high-performance 4.2 amp motor, capable of reaching up to 22,000 OPM, this tool is perfect for heavy-duty applications like cutting through tough materials, grinding metal, or removing grout. Durability is a key feature of the Enertwist, with its robust construction ensuring it withstands the toughest job site conditions. The ergonomic design and anti-vibration handle enhance comfort, allowing users to work for extended periods without strain. Its adjustable speed dial provides precise control, making it suitable for various tasks and materials. The tool includes 15 accessories and a universal accessory adapter, offering versatility for a wide range of applications. The tool-free accessory change system simplifies the process of swapping attachments, increasing productivity and efficiency. Whether you're a professional contractor or an avid DIY, the Enertwist oscillating tool delivers unmatched power, precision, and reliability. And there you have it, the 7 best oscillating tools for DIY and professional projects. From cordless convenience to high-powered corded options, these tools offer the performance, versatility, and durability needed to tackle any project with ease. Investing in the right oscillating tool not only saves time but also ensures professional quality results. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.